Parfums de Marly Layton 200ml. This is a new size released by Parfums de Marly. I believe they've come out with 3 fragrances in 200ml: Layton, Percival, and Pegasus. Let's open it and check out the bottle. So I'm surprised they've released a 200ml bottle of Layton, because we already have the 125ml, which is already quite a big size. I have to say, I'm very happy they've released a larger size, and I'm interested to see what the bottle looks like. It's very, very heavy. That is massive. You can really feel the weight of that compared to the 125ml, which now looks absolutely tiny. Well, now this has to be my scent of the day. So 200ml Layton as my scent of the day. Now, Layton is such a great entry-level niche fragrance. If you are looking for your first niche fragrance, you really can't go wrong with Layton. I love the spicy apple opening. You have this rich vanilla note which goes through the whole life of the fragrance, and this makes for a great signature scent. You can pretty much wear Layton to any situation, any time of year. Perhaps not in the height of the summer if you're going outside and it's 30+ degrees, but to be honest, any other situation you're going to be pretty much covered. Now, Parfums de Marly did change the formula of Layton. This is the old batch here, and this is of course a brand new batch. So this is 78% alcohol, this is 82. I'm going to do a video tomorrow comparing the differences, because there are some differences. But this is the new batch, and I think it's still absolutely fantastic. It's perhaps not as thick and heavy as the older batch, but this makes this much more easier to wear to every situation. It's airy, it's bright, it's sweet, it's spicy. It's a beautiful fragrance, and one I would certainly always recommend. My girlfriend loves this on me. It's one of her favorite fragrances, and I think if you want a fragrance for general attention and compliment, something everyone is going to love, you really can't go wrong with Layton. So 200ml Parfums de Marly, we have Layton, Pegasus, and Percival. I really hope they release Sedley in the 200ml, because I love that fragrance. I'd love to have a big 200ml of Sedley. Let me know what you think of this new big bottle.